Hey guys, how is it going? I just thought of something really fun, something pretty cool that I'm going to do here in the next couple of days. The GoPro 10 comes out tomorrow, and I'm thinking of picking one up. At least I think it comes out tomorrow. It comes out soon anyways. I want to get one, get a chest rig, and make a POV video building a rig start to scratch. Not just any rig. I'm going to make a full rig with 3060, 3060 tie, 3070, 3070 tie, 3080, and 3080 tie cards. Here are some of them right here. Here's my 3080. Here's a 3060 tie. Here's a 3060. Here's a 3080 tie. And then I've got the others. So I've got enough parts between all of my computers that just have random cards on them, but I can do a full build from scratch with every one of these cards. I've got a brand new motherboard. I've got a CPU that just arrived. I've got RAM that shows up in the mail tomorrow. So maybe on Friday or Saturday, whenever I get some time, I can do a full system build, start to scratch, from start to finish from scratch. There you go. Full system build. I'll have 6 cards on there. I will use ATX power supplies, which is what most people use. Keep things interesting, something I've never done before. I've split 2 power supplies before. Maybe I will try running 3 on that one just to see how it works. Those power supplies are right here. I've got these 850 watt EVGAs. They don't seem to want to run more than like 600 watts or they screw up. I don't know what's going on with that. The rigs will just reset on them. I need to get what I need to do is get a power meter and see what these things are actually drawing. Maybe I will do that. It seems like when I run these larger cards on there, rig resets a lot randomly. As soon as I swap it out for a larger power supply, I don't have those issues anymore. So anyways, I will do a full rig build, and then what this will do after that is I will have a rig with every card on there, every LHR card on there, except for 3090s, that's not going to be on there, but it'll have everything else. And then I can benchmark pretty much everything. I can run the whole gamut on a few different algorithms, maybe just Raven and Ethereum to start, because those are what I'm mining. I can try doing the LOL miner unlock on those LHR cards and see how it works. Just try it without that, see how it works. It could be a fun experiment. I haven't done anything like that before. I think having a rig with all the cards on it will be a nice opportunity to try that out. So that's going to be coming in the next couple days. I also need to assemble all the cards. I don't have all the cards on site here. Here's that MSI laptop, GP66 with a 3070. Let's see how long this thing's been running for. Temperatures are up because I slowed this fan down for the video, as I didn't just want fans blasting. There you go, uptime, 31 days, 12 hours. Not bad. I had that down for a Avengers marathon down here in the theater room. I didn't want super loud computers bugging me, so I guess I did that 30 days ago. Time flies. Let me know if there's any other cool builds you want to see. If you think that would be a fun video to watch, full rig build, POV, with all of the 30 series cards on one rig. They'll all be, I think I've got enough EVGAs. They'll pretty much all be these FTW3s. perhaps the 3060 and 3060 Ti will not be. Those might just be these XC cards. I need to see what I have. But the 3070 Ti, 3080 and 3080 Ti will all be these FTW3. Let me know in the comments what you think of that idea. I need to plan out how I'm going to lay that thing out, because you need like splitters, risers, the whole shebang. Fun stuff. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I enjoy the comments you guys are leaving. It really adds a whole nother dimension to mining here that makes it a lot more fun. I love talking about this. It's hard to find people who are like-minded about this. YouTube gives an awesome opportunity to really join everybody together who likes doing this sort of thing. So it's pretty cool. Thanks a lot, guys. Keep watching, and I will talk to you later.